Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will read the essay Co-Education. Co-education means educating the boys and girls in the same schools, colleges, and universities. It is a modern idea and has made a rapid progress. It was first introduced in Switzerland, but now it has become popular almost all over the world. In our country, the opinion differ on this issue. The supporters of co-education favor it on two grounds, economic and sociological. In the first place, they say that co-education is an economical measure. It is not possible for us to open separate colleges for boys and girls. In the second place, the social contacts between the members of the two sexes are useful in many aspects. If they are educated together, they will develop a mutual understanding in them. This understanding will be useful in their future life as men and women. Moreover, co-education makes boys less coarse and girls less morbid. The boys become civilized and polite, and girls become courteous. Then it creates a spirit of competition in studies. Both try their hard to outdo the other. There are certain demerits of this system. In a hot country like Pakistan, it is not without danger. Here, boys and girls become young at an early age. Youth is blind, so there are chances of corruption. Then, the duties of the two sexes in life are quite different. It is wrong to teach them the same subjects in the same institution. Again, in Pakistan, colleges are very few and they are overcrowded. Co education can prove economical only when the number of the colleges is sufficient. In the end, Islam disallows free mixing of boys and girls. So, this system is not fit for our country. We may adopt the middle way. We may allow it in the professional colleges and universities. In ordinary arts and science colleges, it is unnecessary. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.